and once the chat window disappears from your screen, you can enjoy Roblox without distractions while still keeping the option available whenever you need it. On Roblox for PlayStation 5 and PlayStation 4, text chat is now fully available, but it cannot be permanently disabled like on some other platforms. Instead, PlayStation users can temporarily hide the text chat during gameplay, while in a Roblox experience, press the Options button on your controller. You'll see a prompt such as RB to hide chat, or a similar instruction. Press the R1 right bumper button to toggle the chat window on or off. This instantly hides the chat overlay and gives you a cleaner screen. In some games, you may also interact with chat by moving the cursor to the chat window or pressing the touchpad to bring up the text chat interface. Keep in mind that Roblox is still transitioning from the older legacy chat system to the newer text chat service, so certain games may behave differently depending on which system they use. Although you can't fully disable text chat on PlayStation, you can still manage who can chat with you through Roblox account settings. Check your privacy and security settings, and if the account is for a child, parents can use parental controls to restrict communication. If chat isn't working properly, make sure the Roblox app is updated, cross-platform play is enabled, and remember that chat access may still be rolling out account by account. For easier typing, connecting a USB or Bluetooth keyboard to your PlayStation can make text chat much more comfortable.